Tracking your team's progress. A Scrum Board is a key piece of the Agile process. It's an at-a-glance view of what the team is currently working on. It contains the backlog of user stories. From this backlog, the product owner works with the team to prioritize the items into sprints. The product roadmap picks up where the Scrum Board gets fuzzy. It looks further into the product's future at cool new ideas and the research needed to determine if those ideas will work. But how do you keep track of everything else, like insights, questions, things that the team tried, things the team wanted to try, but didn't, and a million other things? This is where you create the team wall of knowledge. It's a place, physical, virtual, or both, to share insights and consider new ideas as a team. When you imagine it, think of those big boards you see on detective shows or the inspiration boards you see on idea sharing websites. In one view, you can see all the photos, questions, answers, and ideas that the team is connecting together. The knowledge wall is the glue that holds your team's collective knowledge together. It should have a reference to the Scrum Board, so your team knows what they're currently working on. It should also include a reference to the product roadmap, so you know when to prioritize good ideas once they start to come into focus. The questions and ideas on the wall are a great way for the team to identify interesting topics for the user research team to dive into. When the research team completes a set of interviews and synthesizes those findings, they can put them on the wall to share those insights with the rest of the team. You can also use the wall as a way to report progress to external stakeholders and keep them informed. Use the product roadmap to help with strategic product planning, and use the wall of knowledge to explain your team's thinking for the product direction and focus. This is especially helpful when the team needs to pivot based on learnings or test results. The wall of knowledge will be a great way to explain your team's thinking for why the pivot is necessary. So in summary, the team wall of knowledge is a great way to drive and share research insights. These insights will become cool new ideas that you place on the product roadmap. As more is learned about these ideas, and the ideas become more into focus, they become user stories, which then get placed on the backlog. And from the backlog, these stories are prioritized into sprints to become reality. Play around with these tools to find the combinations and visualizations that work best for your team and organizational culture.